Hey y'all, Chef IrixGuy here, and welcome back to another air fry with IrixGuy video. And people ask, hey man, what do you spray on your food, whether it's vegetables or meat or whatever, while you're air frying it to make it extra crispy? Well, this is what I use right here, and this is a sprayer. It's extremely affordable, and you can expand this video's description and then click the link there to find where to order it online, as well as the olive oil like I use. Now I use a variety of different olive oils, and I put it in here. This actually, it's linked within this video's description. If you order one, I think it comes with a little bitty funnel. I had a funnel already, so I don't use the one that came with it, but all you do is twist this off, and it's super simple. You just stick a funnel in there, and you can conveniently refill it with more olive oil without making a mess. But this is what I spray on my vegetables and my meats while I'm air frying to make it extra crispy. And obviously olive oil adds a little bit of flavor as well, but the olive oil I get, I've linked that within this video's description. Olive oil, typically I just go for whatever's the best deal. Sometimes it's olive oil / sunflower oil. Works the same for me. Haven't had any problems there, but I would definitely stick to using olive oil with your air fryer. But try it out, because if you've been air frying without olive oil, you've probably found that, yeah, it's crispy, but it's not as crispy as it could be. So, do this. Check the link within this video's description. You can find where to order this little sprayer like I got. Works great, very affordable. Start using olive oil with what you're air frying, and you will see a world of difference. Don't believe me? Try it out. Oh, and I've linked the air fryer like I use within this video's description too. I'm using this one right here. But yeah, thanks for your viewership. Subscribe, ring that bell, and check out all of my air fry with IrixGuy videos. Is there something you want me to try to prepare in an upcoming video? Comment below and I'll try to post a video. Y'all have a good day.
Hey y'all, IrixGuy here. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please be sure to subscribe to my channel, and when you do, ring that bell icon to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.